Hey designers, in this video we are going to create this text animation in After Effects. Let's get started. First, take a new composition. Use the text tool to write the text. I'm only writing the first letter, which is A. Choose a font. I'll use Berlin Sans Font Bold. The size of the font looks good. Change the color to pink and center its anchor point. Next, position this text in the center. Now, duplicate this text twice because the word I'm writing has 3 letters. Move the duplicated texts to the sides accordingly. Change the second text from A to C, and the third text from A to E. Finally, adjust the positions of the texts. Now, select all the text layers and press R for rotation. Click on the stopwatch next to rotation while holding Alt on your keyboard. Enter the expression wiggle 1:15. Copy this expression and apply it to the other layers as well. To do this, Alt-click on the stopwatch and paste the expression. Let's preview how this looks. Good. Now select all of these layers again and press S for scale. Click on the stopwatch next to scale. Move 10 frames forward using the shortcut Ctrl plus Shift plus right arrow key. Add a blank keyframe here. Go back to the previous frame and set the scale to 0. Next, we will apply animation to the position. Press Shift plus P for position. Move the bar indicator a few frames forward to the point where the scale animation ends. Click on the stopwatch next to position. Move 10 frames forward and add a blank keyframe here. Go back to the previous frame and move the position slightly downward. Now, offset the layers so the animations happen in sequence, first A, then C, and finally E. Offset the E layer like this. Select all the keyframes and press F9 to apply easy ease to them. Preview the animation. Good. Here's the most important step. Select all the layers, go to Effects and Presets, and search for the CC Glass effect. Apply this effect to the layers. Your animation is done. If this video was helpful, like it, comment on it, and subscribe to Ace Designs.